They were 2014 Ford Escape fuel pressure sensors. This guy right here, it's right there, easy to get to. 1/16 wrench is what that's going to take. This is part number. Where is it? There we go. Get that at O'Reilly's. 1/16 goes right there. This next one. Like this. This one's a little trickier to get to. It's going to be behind your intake. Pull the top off, pull your filter out. This is going to be 2 8mm screws. So hold these 2 screws on. This comes out. Your sensor is right back in there under the master cylinder. Can't miss it. So 8mm, and then you're going to have to pull out the 7mm deal right there. And there's the sensor right there. And that is going to require a 15/16 deep well socket in order to get that off of there. 2014 Ford Escape fuel pressure sensors.